Good day, folks, and welcome back to Mapleberry Farm. Today I have this 50-watt solar panel by Bogue RV. It has MC4 connectors there, the wiring, and then the connectors near the end, they're MC4 connectors. That's actually exactly what I have outside on my solar system, and they're super easy to install, super easy to use, and you can see that in right up here of the video when I set mine up and I use those connectors. Anyhow, back to this one. So it's by Bogue RV, like I said. Unfortunately, I put my RV away for storage at the campsite. I can't get back on there to plug this in because I actually have an MC4 connector to my RV. There's a cat walking by. She's checking it out. I have one built into my trailer, and a lot of trailers nowadays have those, so you can actually take that and connect it right to your RV. So that's like kind of the big thing behind that, what you could use it for. You could use it for a lot of other things. Yeah, you could run a heat lamp in a, you know, for chickens, for farmers kind of thing. You can keep your boat powered, your boat battery charged up, all kinds of different applications. But this is how it comes in the box. So this panel, there's lots of info about it if you want to read all about it in the link below, and you can check that out. There's also a discount code. You'll see that also in the description box below. All that information is there because I'm not going to get it all out in the video, but this thing's been reinforced. It's actually better than some other ones out in the market. You can check that below. So what I'm going to do right now though is I am going to show the power coming in. I got a multimeter. I'm going to take that outside. I'm going to put it in the sun and show you what it's bringing in. I want to make sure I mention also it comes with this Bogue RV user's manual, so it has lots of stuff in here. And inside mine, now I'm not sure if they do this in all of them or not, but there's this here where I can get a bunch more MC4 connectors, which is awesome to have. So that means you could use it for other panels and things like that. So that's cool. So that's with it. So that's the manual for the 50-watt flexible solar panel. I'll show you what she's bringing in now outside. Also, if you're new here and you're just here to check out this panel, the reason why I'm sharing something like this is because we actually have a solar powered cabin. You can see that right there behind me. So you can check out videos up here. There's a playlist of building it, and then another playlist also of us building an extension, putting the solar on. You can check all that in all the videos. Just go through the videos and you can see all that stuff. So you might want to check that out. Now I'm going to check out the thing here, try out this panel, see what kind of power she's bringing in. All right, so these, they just got them twist tied together. It's my first time trying this with this one. It's the first time testing this out. So there's your positive and there's your negative. If you haven't seen these MC4 connectors, they're super easy. They just snap together like that, right? You don't obviously clip these ones together. You would clip that into the next female end of another positive one. Same with that, depending on how you're running them in series, parallel, things like that, right? So they just go like that. This thing here is actually flexible, right? And you can read all the descriptions about how it stands in the weather and all that sort of stuff. Has these eyelets in it too, 4 of those. And on the top, it came with this film here. It's like a protective film on it, see? I may just leave that on there for a minute and try it with, you know what, I'll take her off. I'm gonna take it off. Make sure we get fully what we want here. And I just got that sitting on this picnic table here. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a go here. Hopefully you can see that. So I got it on volts right now. And I have it sitting on the panel, right? So it says 21 volts, 22. All right. So I'm going to switch that around. It's about 0.9 amps. Do that. 0.94. So we'll just do the math. So 0.94 times about, I don't know, 30. We'll just say 30. We'll go 30 times 1. Right? That's what I'll go with roughly for what that is. Super simple math on it. But if you times the volt by the amps, I believe you get the watts. I am no expert on this stuff. I've set up a couple of my own small little solar setups, but I'm pretty sure that's how it works. So that would be about 30 watts that I'm bringing in just laying on this table here, right? And I could easily just tilt that up, get it in the sun better, probably get to 50. But it's hard to hold it all with just my 2 hands. But you see it's working. So that's good, so that's cool. It's only a 50 watt panel anyway, so it's bringing in 30 just laying there like that. So like I said, if you want to check in the description box below, you can get more information on this. So there's a whole bunch of different uses I can think of it. I'm going to probably use this on my RV next year. It'd be awesome, especially for dry camp and things like that. You can keep charging it up just from the sun, which I do that on my cabin. So this is a cool little thing to have. So description below, you can read more about it. Comment below. You can get a discount code. That's below. All that stuff is below. We got some new shirts for the people that have been with us for a while. You want to check this out, you can get that. Teespring, there's mugs, shirts, stickers, a bunch of new stuff down there. And we're going to bring out some more stuff here soon. So thanks, like, subscribe if you're new here. And follow along. We're doing all kinds of different things with solar, building, going to be farming, going to be doing crops, like gardens, things like that. We're just building a brand new homestead, so we're fresh at it. So check out Boag RV, description below. We'll see you in the next one.